I'm the NRM District Elections Officer, Bushenyi District. Congratulations, Bwana Basaja Eugene.
So, we'll take a copy. Yeah, I'm going to make it. Yeah. Yeah.
Bakutamuna kibyona anakaruhuka agenda no kubakurangirira hamwe abantu aba ubwese byo bakutamuna bagaraganisa kutandikira hino ari kubakora njya kutwara mu gishogu nsima abantu babushenyisha ka municipality abo kunta mu bwesije tera karuru kensonga kandi no butagendera bugambo by'emparana zitakuyamba abo kuba bose reno batamwe bugambo by'emparana bitakutungura municipality kunga abantu babushenyisha ka municipality bagira nsonga yentunguka batera karuru ko kutungura ko kutwara municipality jo misho kandi nimba hamisiriza mbahinarigire tandahebwe ninjya guma ninjuka hinarigire kandi njya kumekinga sure ngo abantu banje babushenyisha ka municipality ubuherezo bukwetengwa ubunku basa nenda gana yinkozere nabo twaguma turyangenderwa hejo twamekinga sure ngo bushenyisha ka municipality yagenda jo misho yinsima abantu bamushenyisha ka municipality mwe bari katera mwe bari karunda mwe bari kabara mwe bari kakuma kandi karanjirwa so mwene shahani yeji na nabaye batakumpagira bije banyegito abo kombe ni impurira mwa abantu bagamba security umuntu numushanga rukora nko mu government department indijo area infrastructure kushoborera nk'abantu manifesto ya NRM aguma nashoborera security atari mu serikali ibyo bintu ngenda bukome focus inyantunguka yabushenyisha ka municipality kare nashoborera abantu manifesto ashoborera ibintu kubukozurwe na NRM ntunguka yeresire turugomba ibintu bitakuyamba kandi byo kuza kurwanaga na bitine makuru abo umuntu wata security ya DC nintekateka nk'umwari kushoborera security ya district stage so nwabayine kutushoborera security ukwine kuberi na hitukuza na hituine kubaturi konka ko kureba umuntu ndizo ayino mwoga gwe ubwo kushoborera abantu ibintu NRM bigiye kozire deno kazombindi ukargaho kagenda in fact aho nana misleading abantu mwene kinkushaba abanyabushenyi tugume turya bihorere tugambira n'amazima kandi kore ebintu ebitwine gukora nkemyo nka government ngo how it is provided for in the law or member of parliament kororyo wa budget allocation na registration kuri izo mu cyanga cyawe abantu bashoborera ibintu bya budget ngo kuba baroketingire budget no kuza kutungure cyanga rather than kwijja kandi nkatandika kusoborera security and member wa parliament. So nebyo insima abanyabushenyi mwe bari kugira ubuteka mwe bari kutera akaruhu k'enshonga hanga bampera umugisha kandi nyuni nguma ryantunguka ya Bushenyi Shaka municipality mwe bari munonga. Hariho ikindi kimukwenda points mani nzibahani imbazi. It is not by default.
If you had another question, you can add it. If you had another question, you can add it.
I just wanted to the expectation from people for your constituency.
The what?
What would they expect? Because they have trusted you giving your vote. So what do they expect?
But I've already said it. But I can redo it. It is okay.
It is okay.
I can redo it. But I've already done it. Ekinkwenda kuhamisiriza abantu ba Bushenyi Shaka municipality ebizo bya constituency egi byona nimbumanya ebyetengo by'abantu nimbumanya kandi na nebintu ire ninkora nabyo nimbumanya kandi njyagumiza mu nimbashya ubuhereza abwe ntunguka y'icanga cyanje nyowe nimbahamisiriza ngo ebintu byone bintu ire ninkora by'amashanyarazi nebindi bizagumizamo kandi nyondo we ntunguka ya Bushenyi Shaka municipality abwo kuba ntukorera ntunkurire imirimo yanjye mingi yone rya Bushenyi kandi ebingambire byona ebimbaraganise graduation muje tu celebrating next week abantu mbihire Kampala njifurire nagereta Bushenyi ya Kampala International University Cancer Institute Heart Institute tuzakuburunkinga next weekend abantu bona umuntu waburijo tekwa kumekinga sure ngo abantu mu Bushenyi Shaka municipality baba bingi akatare kaba kahango umuntu waburijo yagire ntasi kandi nimwe abantu ababurijo twerwa ndi hari tutazo umumparana zitakuyamba Bushenyi Shaka municipality icyo kubatungura tubene cyo twarwana mwe na mbene cyo mwafunamo ekitakubayamba twena tukisasire tazo mumparana zitakutuyamba zitakutungura cyanga cyita tugirira karumwe turugomba bintu byenganda tugirugomba bintu by'amadini sticking a development ya Bushenyi Shaka municipality nebyo mwe bare munonga mwe bare kucebera mu izukuru wa Idi basajja baraba mwe bare kumpaka ruru ebicweka shanzu na bushatu arigana abwe ntunguka ya municipality. I thank you very much.
Mwenyine
basajja
itwe Katayari West turiho congratulating kutabarisa abasinga kandi na no kugumya abasingwa ngo amagara tugakomera izoba amagara ngagumizamo konkantu ntongera kubahiga ukwatanisa n'abasinga okugira ngo babase kugira empinda hinduka zuba leta hono basa kushanga nchakare bahabrana kandi cyanga cyabo bakitwara omisho so
Bushenyi niko byagenda bye bityo kandi turabakongratulatinga imwe abasinga twasigaza Bushenyi twasigaza Igara West amwe ni Igara East. Igara West umnyishengero wabo nawe hatitaruho atwira rimwe atekamwa ya rugayo
mena hatamazima ijuka manya hato mwami mbate mwaka ya yurechireho kwesimba kunuya kandi
mbara
obwa meya
Jamawe
katararebere
kanija independent kanija ko
mbiko ko mwame tango do itaramarangirire nko muntu waye simbo muri mbarara
mu register bakaja mutarumu
atakurga bunyishengero akija kunuyo muri mbarara ukwesimba bwa meya
so hati hariyo wa Koheni
champene kanso Koheni champene
na numchara wa romantic mchara wa Emeka Makri na Simu then I think n'abandi ejo ni Igara West then hariho ni Igara East jateje niyo twasigaza Bushenyi tukaba twagihendera ya katuze kabari turebe akajura kabanza kabateganisa necho romanyo ka turazo yoshanga ikigico muri za
hatu bokandi utakateke ngwenje ryo negwa yes umshashi witu Jimmy Emmanuel ariyo mchange ceca kabari kandi yashitire ahatare center ukuba natusiyaho ebiri kuza kugeno misho ahatare center abantu bareta aba registrars n'aba agency ukubahika umwanyogo hamwe na nabesimbireho ebintu byo babirita batano manya hati umurisinjiro oburura hamwe babutera konka amakuru aginatunga kurga mushacu witu nagira ngo tubakikirize banyamakuru okutaha Umutare Center so yes umuri sendero aha district
kubareba batikiriza abanyamahuriro
na tubakabicirize aho mission tuza kumanyesha ngo bababiciriza exactly ko kandi rebe imyanya ndijo bushenyi bashitukoraje biciriza abanyamakuru Umutare Center
nareba ko yagamba na register
exactly
cyangwa register to
ejo neshonga mukuru mnonga kanga kandi twarebana na kandi aha umwanya gutwargamu kandi na Ivan Nyesiga yatwereka kariyo naza Hatari Center Susan Arino Mukisa uwita Mbara nawe bamwikiriza kutaha mu konkeshongezo mu isinjiro tuzikashoboroshire nangwa n'abanyamakuru tubakabicirize kutaha Umutare Center shahezere katuzeho kabare umunyamakuru
turebe bibiri bita Hatari Center aho kabare agitebe kikuru cyabo cyo kubariraho akarurerizo Jimmy Emmanuel kuyo kubarirede tumbahisiyeho rero turebe uko biri kutambura tube twarebireho okwera arikirira abantu abesimbire na Honorable David Bahati bari kugira ngo yatandika gukoresa ubukuru bwe nka senior minister ngo kuinfluencing security ngo bareba motoka yari kutaha mu kikali cya registrar bebe ryaho ngo yatanga mu kikali cya registrar kandi ine security ngo n'urukiko ngo yagira urwenshi campaign ko zahwira nkebyo of course
campaign twena ntumanguza kahwizo rero akabiri zoberi yanyimwa zo riberi yo campaign zikahorwa akabiri eza inara nyuma abazo riberi izoba ryo kushanga registers nizishika ahamyanya iba kutereramo bururu then ba agents nabo kubatebekana sasa munoza kuba uri mu studio
so ahubwo yasheshera
bari mu studio
bayishaha mukaga akajura kakacatonyera hati ne polling station yigwire ninga yayacire bitwato byo gukoresa mu karuru so bayishaha mukaga neshice kandi rwe byarandinga batandika kweshijuma mukaga eze abagize ngo nivuze kuterera karuru bari no babatunge bikwato kutandika kushijuma mu list so tituramanya akaruru akabakatera bata tukahurire ikiraruga yecona konka turateka nguru yari akaruru kagenda je tutakahurire inkuru mbere yaho konka turaza kubibayiseho kabare turebe kubyemerire umushaci witu Jimmy Emmanuel na mnonga karabe Rede network yamutuhereza kurungi kabare nayo ramanyeri mushoze internet network irakira kubateganisa konka byona kiri possible na hati kubaho ubuvuyo Hatari Center kuna nawo gambi
nkashimanya ubuvuyo n'ubwijanka registrar because we expect registrar ebiyabara naba agents basayininga hampapara bichirizana hati barga kuri yabichirizini bakahikaha ninje cyuzumunchiza kuba umugugita kuko wagamba umuntu yayine calculator yakariyo nagite biye byakumanya kandi registrar na wakagite bweye ushange ngo kandi bagira ubutije
but of course ngoko na kushomira cyandiko cha Sheikh Kasim Kamugisha ubwo nomwe mu babesimbire mu ntebe yo kuba member wa parliament abwa Kabale municipality yani kari kugira ati turude twayanjire akarote bakabazire twakaranya twungurire twakozere twayanjire because hariho aho registers zitahika then ngo babagira ngo continue mugubuze mukoreke mutera karuru umunyishengero wanje we nanyiti nacenga nareba yahandika mukutugoye I have been disqualified minutes to elections
because of why
wajumbire umukugambe bigambo byakaribure kandi yacikiriza because akorese ibigambo bitabonire ahari mutahiwe birari incumbent uko no mu district ya Kanungu muri Kinchizi County West umushije wa leta Honorable Muyambi Julius Mbabazi ugwa karuru yakarugamu yariho kaza kutandika kuterwa so nahandi ni kokwe mu district ya Rubanda umushika kimwe Rubanda hariyo East na West East ya Honorable Musasizi then hariho West ya Honorable Kamuntu isimbere na Kabasa yes na Kabasa then Musasizi na Jogo Kenneth biryabarema kuyo twahura ngo haraba no mwika gwa buru
wati ya gas bururu kandi atkabati katwatandikire by'abantu eshunga kabatandika kuzishisha ko
aho kabarete n'abanya yabire rede kugira ngo tumurebe tumanye uko kabare byagenda. Of course kabare na rubanda it is a stone throw. Turateka ngo na tiya gas Josheme kwa igine ho amakuru agarasingaho kwa nyo ibyo ntabireba biri kurabara bamo mwika guri gucumbuka nyimbuze shikanda bari kwirukanga haryo akaruruka inare mukaza mutiya gas rero tora mwarensereza konka akababiremo buvuyo. One day Minister Musasa kaza campaigninga abantu bamutera amabare
babacira.
Yes, polisi yabatwara 21 people babatwara batamunkomo beje ababemerera babarekura nonka tukatware biro y'ubuvuye so kuno kurangwa abayoti ya gas ubundi beje abashwa bakora ka face off bashwa bayipima pema mukureba urasinga no ndije man uramanya abasigaze birebo urabari kugira ngo mutusinge mu karuru mwasinga mu karuru kari mwije nakikonde turebe turebe nguko narebera professor ajya tugu yabira umuze itachitera pressure up 50 uri ate atukwembeze pressure up no bwonko
kandi umuntu yebembire bisanje bururengo muri samwe nyine makuru agakurwa muri Sembabure twareba mutahi with job wanyuma yo kuzabukenke kugira ngo umwanya gwatanshire kuzamo akavuyo konka job katoriyo nayo ngera kutumanyisa ngo enkoni eriya nimpiguza ndabeho eriyo mchange cha Sembabure tukumanya na mnonga bibyo kweri na nizira ibintu bashana babongeremu nabandi abarimbara batambire baze Sembabure aho kambagira ngo eriyo eze nkone zitezo kumanya nizo bakwasura mu ngara binji kandi abamwe nizo bakose kintu ekiri kwetera amakara gabantu gaza mukabi kandi habahona no kwera ricera wena shumwarete nkono mukaruka NRM kandi twareba ntwazombwire bakarura kabona kenkumi ibiri abanamukaga so ibintu bibiri yo mbigenda misho ombyanga bitari bumwe na bumwe isi emyanyi tubentu expecting hati ayir murengo isinjiro south nangwa na Sembabure cyo tugena ntumanya icuru kufayo konka rengo nza kwantu kusiyayo eshaha yona icagendo misho erengo tukareba imbajango bakajanga bakweta bakanyama babanze bakwate
abantu kugira ngo
bakanga abantu izinjiro abantu bariyo no bahereze kutera karuru aha polling stations ezumwe bariyo mbazitwara ahatari center erije kuba district konka twatungo kumanitsibwa ng'abanyamakuru tabakabikirize kukika umwanyogwe injira katushabe ngo ntakubaho inchirizana okugira ngo bikiriza abanyamakuru because n'ubwabe bwabo okumanyisa abantu ecuri kugenda umisho kandi ncibashiri eco buringaniza mwabahereza space yo kugira ngo bakore umurimo gwabo.
Abanyamakuru mu bikirize bo batumanyise biri kugenda mu misho umunsi rero imwe mukoro gwanyu naho barakora gwabo so mino wari nibyebyo kabare ne tugakwiye kubeta kabiri rede turaza gushaka kugira ngo batwikirize tugaruke twumure mu kace then twamara tubone kurundana ibyabahandi bari kureta ukuruga myanya itari yemwe nemwe kandi kugira ngo tubibayiseho biri accurate akwa nicyo titurenda ngo tubahereze information twamara tugaruke turi kujota twakora mensho bi yo tubone tubahereze cinte cyturama mu nico twatungo bukakafu kurugowa election officer arurengo rwa district kutari kugira ngo kuno ariho bibari kurabya maha aha mikutu ngo ni opinion ni polls nanka kuno ayebembire abyo tutena ngo tubizemo tuwenze ngo tubahereze kintu kirico okugira ngo tube twachihameze election officer yatiriho signature and stamp nana agency bona ba considingire bayishirize ngo ni ceci abasingwa bajya ngo ruyare batu singa so nawe cyo katugaruke tuhumure mu kace twamara tugareke nanagandi makuru otarwa. ibyo bitiyo yatwarugaye mbarara hano hari boma naho batandika kubara no kurangirira akaruru kandi Susan Arno Muksanehwari dona ngutumbayiseho okugira ngo atwongere misho tugambire kirageno misho twatwarebere security eri heavily deployed emimize konka yatunga kagisha nko tayari kizigwamo munda omubare kutambuza akaruru reka tubibayiseho rero tweyongereyo na nibindi turabe turi kubakunganya hano kora
kafunda tasirwa
nikyereka abantu bona emitima eri adiyara fomu zaabo amaani agemutiremu kulonda akaruru mwebale karonda akaruru naka famire kataterana tukita akaruru turonda kuza kushagika pate ahiguru konkani kimereka timukabiyorede timukabiorganized now extra minutes just 10 start your red you don't man walk more aha anogona
boma umurembo mbarara no twaze ngo hari network ikoresha abantu bingi
azashaha abantu bayomba kose mu kuteta ari yemwe nemwe
buri umwe ari ha internet
exactly nakumanyo wasinga
washande iri kirishita
sechubo chemerire chita kandi manya hati nogira ngo mu Uganda izasha twine pressure konka abantu abari hero kandi ubweze shaha internet bajukuze samu mnonga ukumanya kiri kufa umucanga cabo na kuja ngo babaze kumanyisa ngo bo bari burindara hatayari wose bari mbatureba ikiri kugendo misho kandi basima umurimo ugutiyo ntukora kubasiyabe kugendo misho konka ibyo biciryaho twatunga makuru mabi agabaho kandi erizoba ninjira umushahizo twatera amabega uri kujunanzwa w'eminyeto umwihanga literi minister w'eminyeto barambargahara yajiraho butandu kandi kurujira aha social media platform yeru kumanywanka X yatumanyisa ngo nasima mukama abo kumujira imbabazi abo kuba emotoka yabarumu yatunga butandu obwe arikuza footpoto Omtororo Kingdom ohari annual youth conference yayorekerere kuzamu kandi nasima bokujangu driver yarakakozesa obukugu obwaine okubasa kusevinga amagara gabo konka echobsasi owa boda wa gom accident niyemwe yabasa kuba naferwa amagaraje nayongeragira ngo abantu babiri abiyaba aine nabo batunga obuhuta kandi owafa narishi wa gomagara genseji owa boda na mwendeza echumiro chirungi kandi nagumuzamo no kumiriza abeka yogwe owargomagara genseji na no kwendeza abatungo buhuta okuchira mangu
butandu zirabaho of course yabiriye kubaho baso butagitanga ikunka ko kuyagamba rukongo yavugire imotoka ya ministry of course wale imotoka yero akapandika MS chirika Minister of State so yari kutambura ari kuza official duties kandi ari kuza toro hariyo toro Kingdom annual youth conference
nazakuba irumwe
yatangirizoba kandi iraza kumara weekend yo I think
tuzakubanchi nayenye kandi izakuba kandi nipko mwanya ugwe basa kuba ntugamba hona n'imyito
Jakarete basa butakureba
na mnonge bikwatirine ndakujabura anyway ekintu kugeza ko kumanyisa ari kureba cyari wese no kujanga cyari wese turho kusyaho ekiri kubaho nco twabasiza kusyaho
Minister Baram Barugara tenyi yatunga butandu kandi motoka yari kutamburiramo aba bari mu babiri bawutara konka wangu arije hakiri bitu omwe wa bodabodo worya hero niwe batomera kandi we yaruga mu magara genseje agoti makuru bwabonero yare kandi gari kujija mu bwiro bw'akabunku buturi kurangirira basinga kubakashemererwa kubakagira bata wahura kandi uguyafa n'ibintu bira confusing kandi tibirashemera mutwikiriza tuhumure mu kace turaza kugaruka na nebandi abari kuranga ubururu ninge byarugamo turabibahiseho mpora echukuru erisho wabo rirekire hatayari west uratekwa kuraro manyire eshika cha wasinga noha ninga Uganda yo no wasinga karunoha turatekwa kuraro tubibahikirizeho erizoba itwe hanuya aha tayari west yebare utarugaho
sanyu lya kazero tugenda kwevuga ne kazero lino lyesanyu ly'omwaka nyabo sebo wanywere kazero wangula ebirabo kebera wansi wakasanikira kyolaba kyowangula mulimu pikipiki egaali enkofiira t-shirts ambuleera ne sente enkalu emotoka Toyota Pulimo empyatuku just kunywa kazero wetabe musanyu ly'omwaka ng'onywa kazero kombucha drink ne kazero dawa tea kebera mukasanikira kyosanga mu kyowangula musange mu maduuka mu ggwanga lyonna just kunywa kazero.
And for those hair-raising moments, Turn to Wonders Hair Products. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless locks and hello to hair that shines with vitality and strength. Because at Wonders, we understand that every day is a chance to create something beautiful, to embrace the wonder that surrounds us and make it a part of who we are. Don't be left behind. Try Wanda's today and get the vibrant look you've always dreamed of. Wanda's, always wonderful.
Noye nditendekero eri kushongora abeji kurungi omwanya gwihorere aha fizi eri kubasika Ibanda University niyo answer. Ekirizibwe aba National Council for Higher Education kandi bine intake eya May ahamwe na August. Nibahereza short course certificates ngeya Financial Management, Public Administration and Management, diplomas ngeya Information Technology, Education Primary, degrees ngeya Mass Communication. Imwe abari kwenda konjera aha bitabo bine postgraduate diplomas na masters nka MBA, Education Planning and Administration, Public Administration nezini nyamwingi. Manya ebyombeko nibirungi, library na computer lab nebyomulembe kandi hariho na studio eya radio eyokutendeka abanyamakuru. Okumanya biri kukiraho shanje ahari www.ibandauniversity.ac.ug ninga tera esimezi. Ibanda University,
hard work for excellence. We are fresh and clean. Tuli bakozi ubantu we.
Ubwire noyenda kuhangura umudidi gwa sente. Ikiriza twanjurire Betpaka umunyamukago wawe. Nigenda mukutu gwa Betpaka utandika kwangura mpaka. Turning moment. Hamzano yona yawe yokunda nkempira ya Premier League, La Liga, Bundesliga, Virtual Games nka Aviator, Jackpot, nendijo minji. Nibakwana za bonasi n'ibindi by'amani. Yegitari betpaka.com uri gukoresha promo code ya Tayari West utunge bonuses utandike kuhangura mpaka. Betpaka ni rebero rw'ekitongole cya Lotteries and Gaming Regulatory Board of Uganda kandi okubetinga kuri kwikiriza bw'abaryansi y'imyaka 25. Amateka n'ubushoshoreje n'ibikoratirwa.
Kingdom Aldinho, a very good free kick taker.
Toro Kingdom MTN Masaza Cup Tournament egarukire na amani. Hasande enu ebiro byokwezi 20 kwa msanju mwaka guno otaferwa mpira hagati ya Fort Portal City ne Basamba Chaka hakizaniro cha St. Leo's College Chegobe hasaha mwende za Rwebajo otaferwa kuroro mpira guno butuno hata Tayari West.
Alanyi Patrick Abeine, Alanyi Ivan Mukatimba.
Omupira guno gusagikirwe MTN.
Letungire Kabode Super esimu nse ya smartphone. Lero tungeza GBs 16 zabusha. Tandikana deposit y'emtware na networka. Lero zindo zishashure mpora mu bichweka. MTN ni rebero Uganda Communications Commission.
Otaferwa aha Tayari West. 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 Otaferwa aha Tayari West.
Twatira makuru ageshonga aha Tayari West kurwo mushonda zona nanye Martinebe
amena danda kwa kunda kurwo kumaza bakuru akatano
kurgashaha ibiri zo mabazeo kustyashaha ishatu zo mabazeo.
Otaferwa
Otaferwa aha Tayari West.
Kare nibyebyo turaza ko bibaretera byona uko tubyine hano ha Tayari West ikikuru no kuranga utimuharugaho Olivia de
Chigena maso
nareba rubanda shiri rubanda tikikabagaho rubanda hariyo masasi gari kugambira mu mwanya
serious bullets.
Yes, live bullets rubanda iste shiri rubanda
Isamo ryonoshe ko mu mbere gikonka
ati ndikweboza abari gutera masasi tipati karaga
konka shi akabaze ngo bokwe umuntu atakajena nabibyo kwerinda beye kubashire habaho anyway akatereke futeka mu emotions konka no kugira
konka rubanda hariyo masasi
ekunyera riciza no kugira ngo amagaraga abantu hati gaje mu kabi abantu bari mu kwera ricira nico kandi kintu nywe cyo rukunteganisa konka handi no kugira ngo ubururu kandi tubetebekanye ngo kurujira NRM secretariat to kuba tamize gutariho umuntu we nayisimbireho ashobora kuba nakosa amahege
kanungu bashari kubara byakanungu nabyo ndi kubitunga hanuwe barakunyereka uko bebembiro ko bembire ngatire namuze yo ngo babanze bamare nyondange kugira ngo gwiniwe yarabo mino wayo mitoma nayo bari ready bari kubara umushaci witwa makuru Edmond principal farmer muhinga tarakwata mu itakaniari
erizo bitakayari reka nefuka yazikwaza hansi yaza tezo
principal farmer farmer ndi kureba ino waine yaba ni election officer I think yeah principal farmer ahori tumanyise Mitoma byemerere bita rero tweyongereyo nitwihanuye
Mnonga Samu wenyine hamwe na Olivia Kamusime kandi mwebale no kuba numuhereza ku rugahariya aha command center Kamukuzi ejene tayari west irakaryitu kandi ari kugambira tucyari kunuya Mitoma nyemerire a district headquarters ahiba basana no kuteka irundaniro ariyo bururo obweri izoba ubwo basa kuterwa district yona ya Mitoma eitwa basa kweta Nkatale center ahundi kugambira obururu nyamwinji kuruga a polling station zona bwabasize okwikaha omubutongore kandi uburyo nububarwa munonga abantu baryo nubakora obucweka ihembe okurebeka ngo byona byabasa kutambura kurungi natungo mugisha nafuna RDC wa Mitoma district katuhereze amaniga yatugambire wenko muntu arukurira security gemerire gata okunuya omu district kandi obururo bunuburebeka kuba nubuza kuwa ombwire bwekiro sobete bekanise bata okubasa kugira ngo hatakagira urwanzu rwona urwabasa kubo RDC nakwakira uri live atayari west irakaryitu kandi abantu barinzire kure kiryo muri Mitoma
nashimirwa kubugana tayari west yanje TV kukorera umurimo murungi mwebare ekiri hano ha district ya Mitoma mbwenu niyo district headquarters mbari turi tutairoho tare center ninge eirundaniro kwe bakigamba mu Ruganda ekunganyizo lyo bururu obukuruga habyaro niburabira hamagomborora kace then bwerundanira ha district yawo niho turi ninyenda kusima first of all abatura ba Mitoma bona antayine kajejena kona mwebare kwera byaje habukuba karuruka bayire akobusinge utakubasa kureba mu roho obutachengana ninga endwano ba tongana ibyo tibibaire mu average ninyenda kusima population yone ya Mitoma ekyakabiri ninsima abebembezi becyanga bona in their various capacities ninsima na security jenkurira nka chairperson ninga kujokera president mbwenu no basa no gamba sub commander in chief of the armed forces
sub commander
of course I'm under the commander in chief of the armed forces tustamiro munchiko twatebekanizaje operation zaitu deployment twagikoraje kandi twakora na sensitization abantu bamanya kice cyokora abya security twabahabura abakubasha kuruzambara bakaretamu obujagararo ningo butache okuretamu chaos echo twakizibira through sensitization no manya prevention is better than cure kandi kijomanyire nikitwara bice hati tubaire tubahabura anti mutakwatwa habokuba wakwatwa no kureba ihagaro kureta endwano nituza kuto mucyome paka 18 kandi
umukoronda karurugu
campaign donors abairowe zirbaire joint abairoho individual campaign rallies zona zigire liho irombusinji echo nakisimira kuba we had a few ninyenda kusima ba candidates akagambo kache results niturinda returning officer imbwenu ite twabimanyire konka official district registrar ni wine kurangirira results habo kuba obururu bwahoire results zayerundanira aho zona ni bangira zahwayo then let us wait for the tallying n'abahiga kandi batemu obwira bureme kuza mu kiro munonga declaration z'ekiro nizibasa kuba mwaka vuye
mwebale munonga omukuru RDC ebigambo byawe birungi amazina abasigaro ryoha
ndi Kibuka Francis bazigatira wa moti kandi ninyenda kushaba abatura ba mitoma n'ahandi oko mutemu obuteka obucurera mutube ebya NRM n'ebya family umufamily ni murwanashi ico nyenda kusimira ruhanga katulinde results zisohore zeni abantu bazomashemererwa kandi nabaraba bagwire bareme kushitamwe na kumunongeye kureta obutacengana habwo kuba ebyo bibaire bya family
webale munonga omwami RDC reka tutunga omugisha twakiro homwe ombesi imbere izo embera katutunga omugisha tufune homwe omubesi imbere aiza kutugambira habira yesi imbere na constituency ye na nubururo ko burebere sebo twakwakira
kare sebo
abarukureba tayari West oli live kandi nibenda kumanya amazina gawe naho bire entebe yo biro yesi imbere
amazina niraka atwerire asa kazora kandi ati omudakikanje ubariyo numaza kurangira nka MP Ruhinda South naro akwata orukuza kwata fraga beyara abwa Ruhinda South
nenda kurangira karura TV bataka karangiri
ati awoko bo muntu wambaho akabiri ni musingiso bururu oburukurenga 15 bwe no muna kumugabira egombo rishatu
no garuko musinga
ningaruka musinga so ninyenda
kubugenzere butaburebero situation erieta
obururu bugenzereje because mazire emyaka 5 ndia ground so ni nsima abantu kunshashura ebinte bimba korire
musijo gwagira nguwe ngo akaruru edakikanje kurugati
yayerangirire kandi cyo twagumento jangu turizire elections officer ahatari center kuza kubana tugamba hongu yarangira konka sambo nyine nanakuburiza honti kwihana umushesha wawe ahurira hamwami ai Dr. Tango Doi omahurregerizo konka erizoba nyenda kumanzo muri bwatari West ngutango Doi tumwina ho murembo rwambara ari hariya boma aha bararaha offices za NRM aho murukati kubasa kuba kandi baza kuba ninjani warabye shomere lizo
nenda kumanya Olivier okubaha kwa
Tango Doi okanjma erizoba ninjeramani yayenda kwijanga teka
Tango Doi
kuba Kampala kuriya
kwereka Kampala
ngasemba bure isinjiro
wayibara
enti noko kureba aho yakwasirezo mpapura kubasa kuba
Dr. Tango Doi
kokesha hayona na Jacques Katurangira kadurako Dr. Tango Doi hereby announce
Dr. Tango Doi ari kugamba cyo cyambarara bamanyere igihe cyamwe kirebe nitwe tukimanye ngo shati ko tutakamanyere twiseho bya Tango Doi turebe
votes. Katu Isaac 04. Rukari Robert 0. No invalid votes. Next. This Rotaba 4, Arije Robert 0, 0, valid votes. Two votes. Michael Tusime 6 votes. Apollo Robert 3 votes. Mbarara City North. Mwesiga Rukari 24 votes. Kashaba Chris 18 votes. Michael Tusime 20.
Teknolojia yanjire network
waje tota
teknolojia
anyway churu kujana mishoro kugira ngo kandi twamanyangu tango Dr. Tango Ndoye ariyo muri Mbarara
ariyo naranga ubururu bw'aba
abanyishengero
Mbarara City North Rutaba Rukari
Rutaba yezi
naraba mpurira ngo 02 ebintu sibiwene
eshaheje nayo kutunga makuru
isingiro polisi yayoshuka hamwanya ubwo bari kubarira mwaka ruru aho turagambira kuko abanyamakuru tino ari kwikirizwa kukwata kamera nemwe okugira ngo agire cyo yakavaringa tino ari kwikirizwa kuta umunda iyo bari kubarira karuru no kuhika aheru security ho nguteka rebekaga no teka bagaho
abanyamakuru abantu baburijo tina ari kwikirizwa
you see wareba tutabe kuretera mu video umenye ngo nabitu babazibira kubikwata iyo twagambana muka hasimu ubundi twe ebyo satellite zitu ziraziri kubareba kuko tutarikirizwa kuzibereka itwe ha TV kuko isingiro ekiriyo abwo buvuyo bwabiriyo buriya akaruru bari kubarira munda yabare nango babishohore bikawiri yabare nango bahinda hindwe muti twamanya kuko polisi ngo yaiza kweshukaho n'abantu abariho eri kubabingira ati mutoke
kandi we nari expecting atango Ndoye kwikisinjiro ko
kandi hati ngugwa Mbarara
naho muri Mbarara ko kandi kugira batereze yes Mbarara horiyo noreba Dr. Tango Ndoye ari naje no mission no kushoma obururu twahururo mwayasimbere obururo bwayihireyo
turukura ngo 02 ona yari member wa parliament
Sam eshongezi neshonga zabani mnonga
no tugarure ko watango Ndoye turebe
manyangu Mbarara City North abesimbireho bari mu Rukari harimo honorable Rukari harimo Rutaba kandi harimo na Mwani Chris bakashaba harimo Michael Tsime harimo Kato abo bona besimbiro
Kato Isaac
yes Kato Isaac abo bona besimbiro mu Mbarara City North kandi South ko n'abantu babiri mwine mpaka uri nkambe ndobiro bwa hati hamwe nambare bacha abacara woman MP Mbarara City no kujangu twine abacara nkabona reburita gwahika yes bone kashija Charity Chubaju hamwe na Vanisia reka tuze Mbarara
tugaruko watango Ndoye
tugaruko watango Ndoye
Apollo 3 votes. 12 votes. Mbarara City North. Tusime 3 votes. Tusime Michael 18 votes. Mbarara Rebuyenge North. Kato I votes. Rutaba Apollo. Where did all the people of Mbarara go? Okay. KMPC Village Kato Isaac zero votes. Vote for every candidate without they wasted. So take charge.
Ndeba samu nyine nareba
byambara
tango doyi yatanshiro mucanga nari nahura nashomo bururo bwa nothi injira yatandaka no bururo bwa ruga umunothi
akakanya nazizingiro
tinkumanya konka ntibasa kubohaho ko twantire abanyamakuru batakwicezwa mu mwanya ubu basa kushanga batakatangire kubarabariza Dr. Tango doyi maybe but I am not sure
ine command I know bushobozi
maybe konka eshaheji tumanyangu album
Bushenyi abakazi okuzo mu ishengero Honorable Kemegisha Viana obururu emitwaro eshatu 2022 Honorable Katsime Anet Mugisha emitwaro 4 Rukaga Buna. By the powers entrusted to me by Tayari West.
No, please. It is the role of religious.
Barangangu Honorable Anet Katsime Mugisha. Ubwo niwe yasinge tebe y'umukazo myishengero abwa district ya Bushenyi. Kandi niwe agituyirimo.
Inkambe. Yajugumamo.
Yes.
Yasigara kurebana nanabebebere zindi tinkumanya uba ibibine bindi byemerere bito mucange cyo na mnunga ekibine cha PFF bot kamanyire manga bo batanchire yes so nore taro stop tukwataho nabo mu gishamba guma
so Anet Katsime Mugisha omuchara wa engineer Silver Mugisha wa National Water
toka akora na tayari ukabura kurabamo konka
congratulations to
her no kugirango inito ntubendeze birungi kandi tutabarusi ito ntushemererwa kandi tutabarusia ababasinga kandi tugaruka tusasira kandi tumuzana nabo abasingwa karuru life tekomaho babasaka bakusinga mu karuru konka no gumuza muna no kwatanisana na maybe wasinga toka amanyenyencha kare kujango umuhereza abantu ubu ekitukufa mu Uganda yitu no buhereza kandi no kugirango ntugumiza mu na day to day life samu nonyetaga ninkwetaga so no bumuntu bakumusinga tashume kubana haba hemparana ningo kashanga abantu acharono bangana ukujango nankakasinguri yapana twenda turebeho businje nenkwatanisa
no twokwesimba ngatayari ukaja ngusame wese na Martin Olivier kijoka ukahagira nyewe ryare Martin aratine kugira ngo turatine kwikireza wero niko biri kutambura bisyoya kandi shayibiri turaba twina makuru ageshonga
agonga kubana goski akoko bakugena ukechange cha semba bure bagira nguziriye nkonezo kumanyeze bakoze sezo
nobo kumwasete
zo mbamate nezo
nobo kumwasete ngwaze
takata na ni sima mate ni yaya zo
aba ba agent ba sechikubo bari kumuronda tibari
bakamurebere koka no kugira ngo nangwana ne byange bindi nkisinjiro tukamanyire cyo kugenda misho ko mundu mutaye center abo kwatantereba abanyamakuru tubabice
naringuriza ho rubanda abasirikare bamusasizi bakwasireziriza higuru bari kutera amasasi mu mwanya
abantu baba batandikira kunjira ngo rukunjire shaha yona bariyo ninde bahabansindisha na messaging kandi abarukunjira bahikahi nabo ntuza kuba ntugabasiyaho shaha yona na nogo ariyo nabuza ati kandi what about Rengo, what is happening in Rengo shaha yona itwe chikuru ntuza kuba ntugabasiyaho
ebisitararete Martin nabire
tumugashayine
kandi nabwo kwira bukacererwa nitugaruka tukera hana mutayi wanje Olivia shaye mu yakasheshe ntuba twayikira uko
so iwachi echo inekora kandi waweza kutera karurizo ba Erieri estamo mukata ya West kusiaho erubiru kugenda omisho
ahatari netwaka yatango ndoi kuyo kuba yaterire tugaruke yo boma turebe ninga tugaruke mitoma tubore ko bari kuranga karuru no kukabara nebiri kugenda omisho aho turabe turi ready hona tutwariyo kugira ngo turebe bikiri kugenda misho meanwhile turi kurinda abandi bari bata eje ni mitoma I think yes katubirebe ibya mitoma uko bari kubara karuraka turire range
umana MP Kirawa Parish Burunga B village Charampe Rebecca 39 Agasa Juliet 42 Chohi Faith 07 Dr. Rosebell 07 Adela 00 Woman MP Kagati Parish Woburunga A Charampe Rebecca 88 Honorable Juliet Bashisha 46 Dr. Twinomu Juni 03 Chohi Face 02 Adela 00 Woburunga Parish, Kagati Parish, Kirawa village. Awekwe? Charampe Rebecca 100. Agasa Juliet 94. Twinomu June Rosebell 06. Joey Face 03. Adela 00. Kagati Parish, Serere village, Serere. Agasa Juliet 167. Charampe Rebecca 074. Charampe Rebecca 74. Dr. Twinomu Juni Rosebell 06. Treatment Face 03. Sabarahanga Adela 02. Kafunjo village, Kagati Parish. Charampe Rebecca 100. Choigwe Face 04. Twinomu June Rosebell 03. Agasha Juliet Igana Namukaga. Karo Karungi Village. Agasa Juliet 68. Chwehirwe Face 08. Charante 35. Dr. Rosebell 02. Adela 00. Roburunga Parish, Rubaya Village. Juliet Igana ni 10. Charampera Beka Abarna Munana. Chohibwe Face 03. Dr. Rosebell 02. Usimarahanga Adela 00. Ndurumo Parish, Ndurumo Village. Agasha Juliet Igana Abarna kamwe. Charampera Beka Igana na kamwe. Chohirwe Face 12. Dr. Rosebell 04. Adela 00. Rosebell 02. Charampera Beka 19. Face Muganzi 00. Adela 00. Ndurumo Parish Muzinga Village. Agasha Juliet Chinana Nabuna. Charampera Beka 59. Dr. Rosebell 03. Chohirwe Face 06. Adela 00. Roburunga Parish, Rushoroza Village. Agasha Juliet Igana Abarna Mukaga. Charampera Beka 59. Dr. Rosebell 06. Faith 00. Adela 00. Roburunga Parish, Nyabyondo Village. Juliet Agashaba Shisha Igana na 80. Charampera Beka 62. Dr. Rosebell 03. Chohirwe 06. Nsimarahanga Adela 00. parishi Nyakagongo village. Okay. Juliet Agasha 104. Charampera Becca 40. Dr. Rosebell 13. Fairway Faith 08. Simarhanga 00. Bring my father. Nyakagongo, bring Nyakagongo. Nyakagongo, Juliet 104, Rebecca 40, Rosebell 13, Faith 08, Adela 00. Ruburunga Parish, Kenje ya Village. Agasha Juliet 78, Charampe 59, Chohiwe 09, Rosebell 01, Adela 02. Are all the villages covered? Can you get the totals for the sub-county for the women? Then it is done automatically. We can continue with the Can we finish for the men in Boburunga? Because I have even for the men. You want the totals for the women? Yes. But I think they are coming up.
Ati bamemba ekituru kukoraho mu computers ni 3 yara fomu ya buri village twenda tugishome kandi amuherwa jona ezo print outs buri candidate tuje kumuha copy yayo on top of the Yes. Does the system have the totals for the sub-county? One day? The clerks are saying we give them 2 minutes, they get the totals. Well, vamos a quitar
Can we be ready for totals? Already accepted, and totals must be bring each other to one another.
Juliet yayobururu 10,574 omulgo bulunga sabukawu. Then Rebecca yayobururu 10,504. Then Faisi yayobururu 88. Then Adera yayobururu 4. Then Rosebell yayobururu 89.
Now for the men, for the not let me not call them men, for the constituents MPs. Kirawa Parish, Rinda North, Goburunga Sub-County, Kirawa Parish, Nyabubare Village. Abashir. Still Rinda North, Goburunga Sub-County, we are in Kirawa Parish. Registrars man munkoraje diara fomu zanyu mwazi organizinga umemeruka. Okay. Kirawa Parish, Nyavare Village. Honorable Tayuga Thomas, Chenda Nabubi. Saturday David Ashatu Nabuna. Franco Kahonavo 00. Solomon 00. Thomas Tayuga 92. Saturday David 34, Franco 0, Solomon 0. Kirabwa Kashambia Village. Thomas Tayoga 128. The rest have 0. Kirabwa Parish Chemengo Village. Thomas Tayoga 112 Chemengo Village. Thomas Tayoga 112. Saturday David 12. Franco 0, Solomon 0. Kirabwa Ngoburunga B. Dr. Saturday 18. Tumuhimbise Franco 03. Kundakwe Solomon 0. Thomas Tayoga 73. Kirabwa Parish Nyakashebeya Village. Thomas Tayoga 58. The rest has 0. Ndurumo Parish, Ndurumo Village. Are we there? Thomas Tayoga 35. Dr. Saturday 18. Kundakwe Solomon 16. Franco 0. Ndurumo Parish, Muzinga Village. Thomas Tayoga 118. David Saturday 28. Solomon 0, Franco 0. Ndurumo Parish, Ruzonga Village. Thomas Tayoga 65. The rest 0. Kagati Parish, Sherere Village. We are now in Kagati. Ruzonga, bring Ruzonga. Bring back Ruzonga. Ruzonga Village. Thomas Tayoga Nkaga na Butanga. Then abandi 0-0. Kagati Parish, Sherere Village. Tayoga Thomas Vivera Naguna. Dr. Saturday Abernabushat. Solomon 00. Franco 08. Kagati Parish, Kapunjo Village. Thomas Tayoga Igana Chenda na Musango. Saturday David Ashatuna Mwenda. Kundakwe Solomon 01. Franco 00. Kagati Parish, Ngoburunga A. Honorable Tayoga Igana Bernamusango. Tumuhimbise Franco 06. Dr. Saturday 12 Solomon 00 Kagati Irabwa Village Thomas Tayebwa Igana Shanzu na Munana Dr. Saturday Abarna Mwenda Franco 0 Solomon 0 Ruburunga Parish Rushoroza Village Thomas Tayebwa Verna Makumiari Abandi 00 Ruburunga Parish Nyabyondo Tayebwa Thomas Igana Kinana Nabona Dr. Saturday 30 Solomon 03 Franco 0 Ruburunga Nyakagongo Thomas Tayebwa Igana 5 Saturday David 18 Solomon 0 Franco 0 Ruburunga Kenje ya Village Tayebwa Thomas Igana 30 Saturday David 18 Franco 01 Solomon 0 Hey, bring Kenje ya Village Thomas Tayebwa 130 Saturday David 18 Mwibise Franco 01 Solomon 0 Rubaya Village Thomas Tayebwa 146 Saturday David 03 Franco 0 Simon 0 Karo Karungi Village Tayebwa Thomas Igani 13 0 Franco 0 Simon 0 That's the end of Ruburunga. Balthazar come you are compounded as they are adding. Woman 8 please first. Are you organized in function? We are now going to Yanga South County. Yanga South County women.
And then you present. And that's what I was preparing at the time. No, it does not stop us from reading these results. Okay. That's just what I was informed. You can only petition after results have been announced. Yes. So it does not stop the commission from announcing the winner. Very good. At this point I was raising an information so that you get to know about it. Because I raised it in the registrar, and the registrar was handling the second issue. Thank you. You understand? We have the microphone. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the one-time authority dealing with 72,000 villages. You see me picking codes, not because there are no commissioners, but I'm the head of the commission, and I must answer those codes. That's the code in Mukono, where generally votes, someone won, and another person is being given the results. And I've told her that they stop reading the results until I finish with Parana, then they will start. When I read up to midnight, they will wait. But what I'm advising my brother, that is what you put in the petition. Those are things you put. My mic is here. Now let's go to this, the one I was reading at the He has objection to it. I allow the objection, but let me now read. Kwebi Huro Village, Bakashaba Chris 41, Dr. Rukari 11, Tusime Michael 51, Kato Isaac 6, Badije Robert 66. Apollo Rutaba 3 and Namara Luke 0. Kachika Village, Dr. Rukari 75, Tusime Michael 91, Bakashaba Christopher 14, Badije Robert 0, Kato Isaac 7, Namara Luka 11, and Rutaba Apollo 10. Next is Biafra Village, Biafra, Rutaba Apollo 6, Bakashaba 8 votes. Your call 87 votes. 87 votes. Tusime Michael 36. Presiga Robert 53. Next is Kacheka. I think this Kacheka study. Kacheka. Dr. Rukari 247. Tumusime Apollo 1. Is there someone opposing this? Let me read. I thought someone was saying no. Dr. Rukari 247. Tumusime Apollo 1. Bakashaba Christopher 4. Tusime Michael 31.
That is what?
Kacheka. Let me see. Give me Kacheka first. Kacheka Stadium. There's someone saying no. You say the 3 balls. What's your problem? Yeah. What's the problem with Kacheka?
I visited
Yes, Kacheka Stadium, it is this one of our. Introduce yourself first. Who are you?
I'm Katuchiri Zemaka.
Are you a candidate?
I'm a coordinator, sir.
Coordinator for a candidate?
Yes, sir.
Which candidate?
Bakashaba Police.
Okay, so what is your objection? What do you think about the results?
Kacheka Stadium. I went there, Kacheka Stadium.
Yes.
And the results I received was 107
for who?
For Mr. Rukari, and 8 votes for Bakashaba Police. 8.
Not 4.
Not 4.
We want to waste our time. Bring your idea. Bring a copy of your idea quickly.
Don't waste our time.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, you have the right to defend yourself, but you also have the right to respect that you are saying a lie. Now, may I read this? This is Kacheka, Dr. Rukari 247, Tumusime Apollo 1, Bakashaba 4, and Tusime Michael 31. Next is medical cell, Dr. Rukari 56, Tusime Michael 11, Bakashaba Christopher 20, Badije Robert 0, Kato Isaac 0, Namara Luke 0, Rutaba Apollo 5. Next is Baguta. Tusime Michael 35, Dr. Rukari 111, Bakashaba Christopher 16, Kato Isaac 3, Namara Luke 2, Rutaba Apollo 1, and Badije Robert 0. This is the Kokonjeru village. Dr. Lukari 228. Usime Michael 240. 240. Kato Isaac 3, Barige Robert 3, Namara 0, Bakashaba 0, Rutaba Apollo 0. Next is Marana High School. Usime Michael 48, Bakashaba Chris 15, Kato Isaac 9, Rutaba Apollo 0, Dr. Lukari 27, Luke Namara 0, Barige 0. Next is Ruizi. Bakashaba 14, Rutaba Apollo 2, Luka Namara 2, Michael Tisibe 48, Barige Robert 0, Lukari Robert 105, Kato Isaac 7. This is Kiyanja Village. Rutaba 3, Kato 16, Dr. Lukari 85, Tusime 35, Bakashaba Chris 45.
I have an issue with that.
You have an issue here? Okay.
An agent inside.
Your agents. You are followed who?
Kato Isaac.
Dr. Lukari's agent side. Bakashaba's agent side. Rutaba agent side. The presiding officer side. Therefore the DR is valid. Can I read you the rules? Once the presiding officer signed with 3 or so agents, it's valid. But you can use it for a petition. So what is your objection?
My objection is that my agents were denied to decide. If we were the results.
My agents were denied an opportunity to decide. I appointed them, they were here, and they released the results and the funds. One is here. One is here.
Okay. Now, what was the target? Why were they targeting you and others were not whisked out? That one can only succeed. Yes, Dr. Rugari.
He has a point. We have other issues. As you say, we don't want petition, make our petition
yes.
Now.
You are preempting your petition. Yes. If you have that, can be a petition. But as a commission, let us declare the winner and then you petition. You cannot, in the process of election, let me talk. Ladies and gentlemen, in the process of election when it starts, and you choose to walk and withdraw, but the others walk over, election is done. But then it allows you to petition. Without declaration of results, you cannot lodge a petition. You want to petition now? Give him a microphone.
Doctor, I'm not petitioning now. Only that, people in the information in regards to the results you have read. Still, I will not deter over the commission to announce the winner, but at least informing you about it and knowing about it, at least I think I'm right about it.
Okay, thank you. That's the moment. But you know, the danger you are doing to your support petition, if you petition, is that witness you want to use can be smuggled by the person who has won. He can be compromised and he will not support you. Okay. Kiyanja, can I read this again? Kiyanja village in Ruharo Parish. Rutaba 3, Kato 16, Dr. Rukari 85, Tusime 35, Bakashaba 45. Hello, listening Hoye, getting tired Hoye, going home Hoye. Now we are in the ready corner. This one I know, I can pronounce. Ready corner. I know this one. Labitanga, ready corner. I know this one. There is this ready corner. Dr. Rukali 106 votes. Tusime Michael 36, Bakashaba Chris 8, Rutaba Apollo 1 vote, Kato Isaac 0, Namara Luka 0, Bari J. Robert 0. I think that's Boma. Michael Tusime 26. Michael Tusime 26. Dr. Rukali 71. Rutaba Apollo 11. Kato Isaac 1. Bakashaba 31. Luka Namara 2 votes. Kashanyarazi, I know this place. Kashanyarazi is down there. Where wires. Kashanyarazi. Bakashaba 96. Tusime Michael 81. Dr. Rukali 646 votes. Look. Yes. Luka Namara 12, Kato Isaac 9, Barige 0, Rutaba 3. Is there objection? There is objection. Yes, objection. Total number of voters 850. All are side. Is there a problem? I forward. This is Kachanyarazi. 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 Bakachama Christopher 96, Kusime Michael 81, Dr. Rukali 649, Luka Namara 12, Kato Isaac 9, Barige 0, Rutaba 3. Yes, any complaint? Luka, get what? 049. Give us a copy. 049. You have a copy of this here? Yes, sir. Okay, let me see your DRFO. They are not using phones. They are not using phones. They are not using phones. Bring a copy. Bring a copy. Bring a copy. That's a Photoshop. That's a Photoshop. Put for me the words. I want to see where they are writing the words. The words. But you have to a copy. Where's the copy? We can't use a phone. Now, what I want here, where is it? These are proofs. Chris, I want you to help me. These figures are there, but the words are not there. Bring it. I want to see it. I want agent for one agent for the candidate to come. I want the two candidates or the other candidates to come and see this also. So that's why we look at it together. The agent of the candidates to come and see what Chris has in the phone and we compare. Policeman check
(09) Adera 00.